Hello mga ka-Rampage! It's Joey once again and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, tara po at ikutin natin ang ilan sa mga tourist destination sa Taiwan. But before that, a massive hello sa mga taga Batangas. And shout out kay Francis Banson at kay Jay Gonzalez. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please, subscribe na po kayo. Just click the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga uploads ko. I-like and share na rin po ang mga video at feel free to write down your comments. So, let's go! And we will do the rampage. Officially, Taipei City is the capital and a special municipality of Taiwan, and tourism is a major part of Taipei's economy. The influx of visitors contributed billions to city's economy. Taoyuan Airport serves both Taipei and northern Taiwan, being the busiest and largest airport of Taiwan. It is located about 40 kilometers west of Taipei in the Yuan district. Most scheduled international flights are served by Taoyuan International Airport, which is accessible by the Taoyuan Airport MRT. The city of Taipei is a modern metropolis. As the capital city, Taipei is the political, economic, educational, and cultural center of Taiwan and one of the major hubs in East Asia. Taipei is Asia's second richest city per capita. Considered to be a global city, Taipei is part of a major high-tech industrial area. Residents enjoy high quality of life in a city that is growing more globally. Taipei has a humid subtropical climate. Summers are long-lasting, very hot and humid, and accompanied by occasional heavy rainstorms and typhoons, while winters are short, generally warm and very foggy due to the northeasterly winds from the vast Siberian high being intensified by the pooling of this cooler air in the Taipei Basin. Taipei maintains an extensive system of parks, green spaces, and nature preserves. Being in Taipei and staying in Inn Hostel is a pleasant and satisfying experience. Inn is great for solo traveler and tourists who wants to be located near the popular Ximending shopping area. It is just a 7-minute walk from the Ximending MRT station. The lounge and kitchen area is shared between everyone staying here. Typically, it is pretty quiet in the common area, so you can get work done. Transportation, once you land on Taipei, is the less of your worry. The Taipei transportation system is easy to navigate for tourists. With a 10-line MRT subway, a high-speed train to cities, it is very easy to get around. The Taipei Metro, commonly referred to as the MRT, incorporates a metro and light rail system. In 1983, surface rail lines in the city were moved underground as part of the Taipei Railway Underground Project. Public transport accounts for a substantial portion of different modes, with Taipei residents having the highest utilization rate. To reach the Elephant Mountain, take the Tamsui Xinyi line to Xiangshan Station and then walk through the pleasant Zongqiang Park. Just follow the signs to the Xiangshan Trail. Xiangshan, also known as Elephant Mountain, is located in Xinyi District. It is close to a Taipei Metro Xiangshan Station. It is 183 meters high and has a hiking trail of about 1.5 kilometers long. Xiangshan's name comes from its elephant-like shape. It's a steep climb up to hundreds of tree-shaded steps to the top, but after a 20-minute climber, a cluster of huge natural boulders scattered beside the trail mark the preferred spot to capture pictures of the great skyscraper and the great city surrounding it. Elephant Mountain is Taipei's most popular hike, especially for tourists. It is mainly composed of sandstones. It is short, well-paved, easily accessible from Taipei's most popular district, and most importantly, it offers postcard views of the Taipei cityscape. Taipei is home to the world's fifth tallest building. Until the completion of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, Taipei boasted the world's tallest building from 2004 to 2010, that is the Taipei 101. At 1,667 feet, Taipei 101 dominates the city skyline. It features a unique design, modeled after both a bamboo and traditional pagoda styles. Its design incorporates a number of features that enable the structure to withstand the Pacific Ring of Fire's earthquake and the region's tropical storm. Taipei 101's postmodernist architectural style evokes traditional Asian aesthetics in a modern structure, employing industrial materials. One of the highlights in Taiwan are the night markets that come to life when the sun sets. Taipei is known for its many night markets. One of the favorites is the Ximending Night Market. It is a modern market more popular for shopping, especially for the limited edition shoes. Ximending is the source of Taiwan's fashion, subculture, and Japanese culture. It is also the main LGBT district of Taiwan, with a host of many clubs and pubs surrounding the area. Thus, Ximending becomes a famous area for shopping and entertainment. Taipei is home to a truly amazing street foods. The authentic side of street foods can be found around every corner. This culinary area offers hundreds of food stalls at cheap prices that cater to the large crowds. You can try Taiwanese dishes from local vendors while soaking up the street food atmosphere. Though Christmas is not an official holiday in Taiwan, it is still marked by a great many people across the country. It is in fact one of the most significant celebrations from November to December every year. During those periods, the new Taipei City is having multiple Christmas light display, markets, concerts, and family-friendly events scattered around its transport hub to give everybody the Christmas feels. With its broad and accessible venue and various entertaining activities, Christmas is unarguably the biggest Christmas feel hotspot around Taipei. The shimmering lights are scattered around the entire area near the new Taipei City Plaza, new Banqiao Central Park, Banqiao Station Building, and Banqiao Station Front Square. From the finest in shopping and design to traditional markets and museums, Taipei is the heart of Taiwan and a must-see for travelers of all ages. As one of Taiwan's business, financial, and technology hub, Taipei has been the center of rapid economic development in the country and has now become one of the global cities in technology and electronics. As one of the world's leading cities in producing and researching electronics, Taipei is a city made on modern wealth.